Hi, in the last video I was talking about mining Ether1 coin by graphic cards, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to mine it with Nicehash. Okay, so as you can see here, all my mining rigs with AMD cards and 1070 are busy with this coin. I want to try to make 20,000 coins for master nodes, so need to mine for about 1 month. In this moment I have 2,700 coins, and on Nicehash I have some 1080 and LTC miners, so it's make me about $20 per day. So let's start mining Ether1 with this balance. When you go to ether1.org, go down to mining pools, and you can find this one at rustpool.com. Click on it, click here how to connect, mining using Nicehash and mining rigs. Okay. So let's go to Nicehash and make order. Go to marketplace. Here you need to put Tiger Hashimoto. Click here on standard. Add new pool. Okay. So we can close this now. Host is this. Copy it. Possible. Port 9008. In user, you need to put your address. A second to take it here. This is my Ether1 address, so I will put it here, and password this one. I have so much balance. I'll put 2 geocaches. Click here, and before you place the order, use pool verificator. So click here, verify pool. Now we need to wait Nicehash to check the pool to see is there any errors. As you can see, test pool is compatible. So close and place your okay. Here you can see that status is active. So need to wait for Nicehash to deliver hash power to Ether1 pool. Okay. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.